So you filmed and edited your video, but now you need to upload it to YouTube. Hi, I'm Paigon, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and schedule your video to YouTube. Before we upload the video, the first thing we need to do is, of course, log into our YouTube account. So I'm already logged in. Now I'm going to go to this little camera icon with the plus button. When you hover over it, it says create a video or post. So you just click on it. Then you have the option of uploading a video or going live. So we're just going to upload a video. So then you just need to select a file to upload. I'm just going to pick this video right here. So then we're going to go to the right where it says private. Then you can either make the video public or you can schedule the video. When you make the video public, it's going to go live as soon as this video finishes uploading. But I'm going to schedule the video. I'm going to choose January 10th at 10 a.m. Then you see this little button right here, publish on Thursday, January 10th. And then click. And it's scheduled. And that's how you upload a video to YouTube. So now you know how to upload your video, but don't hit publish yet. In the next video, I'm going to show you the 5 things you need to do before you hit publish. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell notification and you'll be notified when the new video comes out. I've also created a checklist for you. So if you want to grab that, you can get the link in the description down below. Okay, until next time.